Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add Favicon to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, go to your online store right here, as you can see, and then you will have the themes right here. Go to the customize the theme right here, as you can see. Then you will need to go to your theme settings right here. And from your theme settings, all you have to do is then go back to the theme actions right here, edit code, as you can see. You can edit the code and then make sure Favicon images must be named with extension of either favicon.ico or favicon.png. So you can scroll down and click assets and then click add new asset, then upload your Favicon image and then click upload asset right here. Then you can go down below and obviously you can click on the layout. You can click on the theme liquid right here, as you can see under the layout folder, and you just need to find the file that says theme liquid, and then in the head, as you can see right here in the head, you can go and you can basically add, search for the head. And then as you can see above the head tag, paste the following code. Replace favicon.png with favicon.ico if the code is necessary right here. Just paste that in, then hit save, and that you should be able to add your Favicon to your Shopify site. Now, you can also add your Favicon in theme settings by just going here in Favicon and then just hitting that and uploading the Favicon. It's much easier, to be honest. So if you want to do that, you can do that as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.